Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to turn on overdraft on Cash App. First, open the Cash App on your phone. Tap the money icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap on cash balance, then look for turn on free overdraft coverage and tap it. To activate overdraft, you must meet these three conditions. First, have an activated cash card. Second, enable direct deposit. Third, receive $300 or more in paychecks monthly. Note: teen accounts, ATM withdrawals, and ACH transfers aren't eligible. Once eligible, tap the green turn on button to activate it. And that's it. That's how to turn on overdraft on Cash App. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.